week, you're invited to join us in studio for another edition of Live Tuesday, Strike a Chord, happening October 31 from 7 to 9 a.m. on Cool 97 FM, featuring Journex, I Believe in Love. I'm Mar Shepherd, Confidence. Also featuring Gigi McFarlane, Power.
You're giving me power.
That's Journex, I'm Mar Shepherd, and Gigi McFarlane for Live Tuesday, Strike a Chord. October 31 in studio. It's hosted by Diane Thomas and Michael Thompson and brought to you by Alcavida Alkaline Drinking Water, ATC Freight and Shipping Limited, Keymix Audio, FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange, and Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering. Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, getting to the root of the music.
You're giving me the black, the white, the left, the right, the side to side, the gold, the spark tonight. You give a day the light that give me strength to know the world is always on my side. You know you caught me, and I will give in, because you've blended. And of course you win. You're giving me power. You're giving me power. Oh yes. Oh, just now that we're burning, 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 burning. Now it's so hot, 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 so hot, hot, hot. You're giving me the bounce of fire. The world's desire to take my wings and fly to the sky. Take me to the moon and back. You tell me that you swing with me until the end of time. You take my control, and I lose my mind and soul. You take my body, and now you turn it into, you're giving me power. You're giving me power. Oh yes. Oh, just now that we're burning, 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 burning. Now it's so hot, 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 so hot, hot, hot. You're giving me power. You're giving me power. Oh yes. Oh, just now that we're burning, 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 burning. Now it's so hot, 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 so hot, hot. You're giving me the bounce, the fire, the world's desire to take my wings and fly up to the sky. You take me to the moon and back. You tell me that you swing with me until the end of time. You take my control, control, and I lose my mind and soul, my mind and soul. You take my body. You're giving me power. Oh yes. Oh, just now that we're burning, 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 burning. Now it's so hot, 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 so hot, hot, hot. You're giving me power. You're giving me power. Oh yes. Oh, just now that we're burning, 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 burning. Now it's so hot, 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 so hot, hot, hot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh yeah. You're giving me the bounce, the fire, the world's desire to take kind. Right, that was Power. And now this is Alan's Voice, another song which is on my new album, which is my first album. If I say new album, it sounds better. His voice, his voice, his voice. My voice, my voice, my voice. His voice, his voice, his voice. My voice, my voice, my voice. How could this be? It turns completely into feelings. Nothing I can touch because I'm floating on the air. How could this be? His voice turns into my passion. I forget my world because I'm floating on the air. His voice, his voice, his voice. My voice, my voice, my voice. His voice, his voice, his voice. My voice, my voice, my voice. How could this be? Turns the words into the meaning. Everything he mentioned goes from negative to positive. How could this be? His voice turns into my passion. Under another sun, his voice comes again and again and again. His voice, his voice, his voice. My voice, my voice, my voice. His voice, his voice, his voice. My voice, my voice, my voice. 'Cause he's taking me higher. Higher than the moon, and I make me feel stronger, hey. Stronger than my father's right, make me feel larger. Larger than the universe, make me feel longer, hey. Than a day without music. His voice, his voice, his voice. In my voice, my voice, my voice. His voice, his voice, his voice. In my voice, my voice, my voice. His voice, his voice, his 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 voice. How could this be? It turns the words into the meaning. And anything he mentioned goes from negative to positive. How could this be? His voice turns into the reason. Under the sun, his voice comes again and again and again. It comes again and again and again and again. It comes again and again and again and again. 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 It comes again and again and again and again. It comes again and again and again and again. It comes again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again. It comes again and again and again and again. It comes again and again and again and again. It comes again and again and again and again. It comes again and again and again and again. All right, so I'm gonna sing a cover now. This is a song by the one and only Tracy Chapman. Everybody loves Tracy Chapman. Ready? Don't you know we're talking about a revolution? It sounds like a whisper. Don't you know we're talking about a revolution? It sounds like a whisper. 'Cause while they're standing at the welfare lines, crying at the doorstep for the armies of salvation, wasting time in the unemployed malarkeys, sitting around waiting for a promotion. Don't you know we're talking about a revolution? It sounds like a whisper. Poor people gonna rise up, take their share. Poor people gonna rise up and take what's theirs. Don't you know you better run, 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 run. Oh, you know you better run, 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 run. Finally the tables are starting to turn. We're talking about a revolution. Finally the tables are starting to turn. We're talking about a revolution. Oh, Lord. Talking about a revolution. Yeah. Hey. Don't you know we're talking about a revolution? It sounds like a whisper. Don't you know we're talking about a revolution? It sounds like a whisper. 'Cause while they're standing at the welfare lines, crying at the doorstep for the armies of salvation, wasting time in the unemployed lives, sitting around waiting for a promotion. Don't you know you better run, 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 run.
Sharp
Don't you
tiles,
know you better run,
bathroom
run,
fixtures,
run,
faucet.
run, 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 run.
This week, you're invited to join us in studio for another edition of Live Tuesday, Strike a Chord, happening October 31 from 7 to 9 a.m. on Cool 97 FM, featuring Jernex, I Believe in Love. I'm Mar Shepherd, Confidence. Also featuring Gigi McFarling, Power.
You're giving me power.
That's Jernex, I'm Mar Shepherd, and Gigi McFarlane for Live Tuesday, Strike a Chord. October 31 in studio. It's hosted by Diane Thomas and Michael Thompson and brought to you by Alcavida Alkaline Drinking Water, ATC Freight and Shipping Limited, Keymix Audio, FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange, and Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering. Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, getting to the root of the music.
managed to catch up with her. Born in London, based in Spain. Talk about an international outlook. What has your journey been as an artist so far?
I've been
What's
up and down, all over the place.
Do you spend more time in Europe performing, or do you find yourself, say, in the Caribbean?
I come and go.
Come and go.
Yeah, but during the summer, which is like, well, summer in Spain, because here's summer all year round.
True.
I'm mostly there
Oh.
in Spain, yeah.
Oh, okay, fabulous. So how have they accepted your sound in Spain? Do you have an infusion of reggae music, or certainly a deeper infusion of reggae music in your style? Or are you strictly North American, European sound?
Yeah, I think it's like easy for me to live off music over there in Spain because I'm just different.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, maybe it's not so easy for me out here.
No, the level of acceptance. But the thing is, you're going for an international audience. But maybe what you should do is touch base with some local producers while here.
Oh, yeah.
And yes, and infuse some of the reggae, because you know reggae stands really strong on the international market
Yes.
as a genre. So you've performed here. Have you ever performed here in Jamaica?
Yes, I have.
Mm-hmm.
Years
Where?
back, before COVID, I mean, the first time I came back as an adult, I played at Red Bones.
Oh, wow. Mm-hmm.
Then we did there was some festival going on in some big garden. I can't remember the Hope Garden.
Oh, or was it Jazz in the Gardens? Did you do Jazz in the Gardens?
No, it was like some event.
Oh, okay.
Going
Hope
on.
Gardens. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I remember Wayne McGregor was there. I met
Okay.
him there. I know he's famous on the island.
Yes, yes, yes. Uh-huh.
So now he's my friend. I got a famous friend. And where else? Oh, some jam sessions and Jamnesia, you know, down
Yes,
at the south, the surf camp.
Yes.
And it's hard for me to remember names, you know.
No, but you're doing well.
Hey, thank you.
Having some Jamaican in your blood, you know that's a strong bloodline. Has this influenced you in any way? Whether culturally, musically, how? How has that part of your heritage come out in you?
You know, I don't really know. I think it's like unconsciously because, yeah, people are like saying, "Who do you follow? I don't really listen to much music.
You don't?
I don't. I like doing it.
Okay.
So then, maybe it's just like, you know, a mix of what my mom. You know, my mom used to play the piano. You know, just like hobby. And my father used to play the sax as well.
Whoa.
But you know, it wasn't like the job. They used to do other things. But I don't know. In some way, I can't really tell you how it all came out. It's just like a mixed mess or whatever. And this is the result.
Well, which category would you put yourself in terms of genres of music? Where would you bottle yourself as strongest?
Maybe soul.
Soul.
Yeah. Maybe.
Nice. Okay. Nice. And do you have any singles, EPs, albums to your credit?
Yeah, everything's on Spotify. You can see my music videos on YouTube. And iCloud, iTunes and all that.
Oh, you've utilized all of those. Okay. And what are your plans for the coming year?
Next year, well, I'm working on a social project.
What's
because
that?
yeah, I want to because in Spain, just when I got to Spain when I was like 6 first time. Then my parents split, so my sisters and we grew up in a home. So and that's on an island called Menorca, which I don't know if you ever heard of Ibiza,
Oh, yeah.
maybe.
Yeah.
Know, well, it's small, very tiny. Sometimes not even on the map, you know. So whenever I go back to the island and I sing there, all the kids from the home, they come and see me, they like admire me, like if I'm Beyonce or something. So if they think I'm more than what I am, and that's good because I'm gonna like take advantage of that
Yes.
and help them.
Nice.
Right? Because I remember when I was at the home and we had like a monitor saying, oh, we're going to do this activity, we're going to do this. And we had like a month to practice breakdance. And then we went to a theater and then, you know, we performed live. That was so exciting. I want to give the same to them because since I've got the power of the stage. So I want to make this social project to help kids at homes because it's what I've been through. And I think I've got the power to do that.
Oh, nice. Okay. And you already said that your music is on Spotify, all the internet-based platforms. That's where
Yeah.
we'll find your music. So you're here in Jamaica, and what's your purpose this time around for the visit?
Well, it was my auntie's birthday. Hey.
Okay.
But it's mostly when I come, it's to see my family.
Oh.
Yeah, because I'm on the other side by myself.
Oh, you are?
Right.
Okay, well, thank you for making it Cool 97. You remembered us.
Always, yes, of course.
Yes.
Well, during COVID, I know. I suppose you weren't taking much artists in, or
No, we kind of put a hiatus on that, yes.
yeah. So I waited.
Beautiful. Well, what we're asking you to do is to spread the word in Spain. KOOL97fm.com. Turn us up really loud so that they hear us. And they say, where is that coming from? And the little island of Jamaica.
Jamaica, best radio in town.
Bless you. Gigi McFarlane, our guest on Cool 97 FM. Really great to see you once again.
Thank you so much for having me.
Oh, and we enjoyed your performance. All the very best.
Well, I don't have my voice down, so early in the morning. It's like, whoa, there's not like singer time.
You'd be surprised. You've done well.
Oh.
Because we get that all the time that, my vocal cords aren't yet warmed up. But
Then
no,
book me at night and you'll see.
book you at night. Okay, well, when we have the night performances. Wonderful to have you by. There you go, Gigi McFarlane on Cool 97 FM. We're getting ready for our second guest who will be hitting our stage. And let me just announce who our sponsors are for this segment. Just letting you know that Live Tuesday continues right here on Cool 97 FM. And up next will be Journex. And just to remind you that this segment is sponsored by Alcavita Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your water, improve your health. Bottled by Health Creation Industries in White Marl, St. Catherine. Their number is 876-649-0386. Remember to watch this morning's live stream of the show by visiting our website, KOOL97fm.com, and clicking on the Live Tuesday tile. We're going to turn our attention to our stage right now. And yes, Journex performs for us on Cool 97 FM.
This week, you're invited to join us in studio for another edition of Live Tuesday, Strike a Chord, happening October 31 from 7 to 9 a.m. on Cool 97 FM, featuring Journex, I Believe in Love.
Because you're a little taller.
There we go. Okay, I feel much comfortable.
Oh, beautiful. All right. So welcome to the Cool 97 FM. A pleasure to have you over this early in the morning.
Thank you for having me.
Sounds like your vocal cords are warmed up.
No.
All right. So
Quite the contrary.
what is it? What is in fact your birth name?
Oh, so it's Jerome Reynolds.
Jerome Reynolds. Which school you went to?
St. Andrew Technical High.
Okay. Stats.
Yes, one of the best technical schools here in Jamaica.
What year?
It's the best technical school.
What year?
I'm too young. Too
young.
Yes, I graduated about 2018.
Okay, so all your friends remember you.
Yeah.
All right, so he's pursuing music. And at what age did you discover that you in fact had a musical gift?
Well, it was just more of a knowing, because I grew up in a family that we all were singers. All of us can sing. And I think about at age 4 when I heard Whitney Houston sing, she had this song, boy, I can't remember. It's My Love Is Your Love.
Oh,
Yeah. That was the song. And that was when I said, yes, I wanted to be a singer.
Well, based on the little you just sang a while ago, we realized you can sing. You entered Digicel Rising Stars, but before all of that, though,
Yes.
were you on like school choir, church choir?
Yeah, man, we were on All Together Sings. Well, I started singing in church.
Which church? You have to acknowledge God.
Okay, of course, all the time. So I started out in where I used to live in my community called Mackay Gardens. I used to go to church with my grandmother. And
Go, Grandma.
I walked in the church and I think they were having like, when them say $50 not a word or something like that. So like, I don't know if you guys know that out there
that's
in
like
the radio
that's
land.
like what, penny concert?
Yes,
it
it's
sounds like a penny
concert.
concert.
So they would say like, $50 not a word. And there was one day that my grandma carried me to church and she knew that I could sing.
Oh,
so
Grandma.
She carried me there and, everybody also had an understanding that I could probably do something. And they were like, oh, yeah, man, $1,000 not a word, because, everybody's waiting. So I full up the offering plate. And from there, I just know like, yo, this was my thing. And then I went further and I got baptized in a Seventh-day Adventist church and, developed the craft there. And also, as I grew older, it's Lighthouse Assembly Church. We would have been there with my mom and we led praise and worship. So
Okay, you mentioned All Together Sing. You were part of that as well.
Yes. So we came third in 2014, St. Andrew Technical High School. Should have won.
Nice. Yeah, I know. But only good has come out of it.
Yes.
That experience, you entered Digicel Rising Stars in 2018.
Yes.
So literally that's the same year you were leaving school.
Yes.
You entered Rising
Yes.
Stars.
Before I left, I think.
Brave.
It was before.
All right. So what was that experience like?
Well, it was an eye-opening experience because, let's just big up Jody K. James and Miss Henry. They were my choir directors. Jody K. James won Rising Star the year before. She was a teacher at St. Andrew Technical High School before she was a student.
Wow.
And that kind of like channeled the inspiration as it relates to wanting to go out and stepping in on the big stage. And knowing that she won, I was well motivated. So I went there. The first year I went in about 2016. I never got through. And then I worked on a few things and I went in 2018 and then that was a lucky year and I made it to national TV. Did my performance. Unfortunately, didn't make the final cut for the finalists, but I think at the end of the day, one of the key lessons that I learned was putting yourself out there, and after developing an audience, it's really just left up to you for you to make the best of it.
So how far did you get in that competition?
Top 11, I think.
Top 11 out of hundreds.
A whole heap.
As a young singer-songwriter, relatively new in the music business, where do you see yourself in, say, 10 years? Because you have to set goals, right?
Yeah, man, definitely. Smart objectives. Smart goals, we call them. And I think for me personally, I want to be the next big international act out there. Thinking likes of a combination between Bob Marley and Michael Jackson. That's how I see myself. Influencing, using my voice as an advocate for things affecting the world, and I think also inspiring others with my music and my vocal ability.
You've worked in the hotel industry,
Yes, I
which
have.
is good because we've seen several artists.
Yes.
We've seen like Althea Hewitt, Karen Smith. Many of them have done the cabaret scene because
Yes,
I've gone
yes,
to
yes.
hotels,
Yeah.
and when you come down in the evening for dinner and
Yes.
the entertainment
Sure.
about to take place, and you say, "But wait, that one was on Live Tuesday."
yeah.
And a lot of them are out there.
Yes.
So you worked in the entertainment industry as a professional dancer,
Yes.
performer, just before COVID. Are you still in that industry?
Not currently. So after Rising Star, I was working, but I wanted to be closer to my passion. So I applied for a job in entertainment, and I got it, of course. And one of the things was just kind of like honing in on my craft. And one of the good things, as you mentioned, we were able to, construct cabaret shows, extensive training of dancing and performing and vocal lessons. So that definitely developed an attitude of performing and everything else that had to deal with time and preparation of how to plan a production and stuff like that. So that was integral in the development of my own skills and capabilities.
All right. So you're going to be performing for us this morning. But before you go, what songs have you written and do you have out there that we should be made aware of? And where next will we see you?
Okay, so I have some songs that I'm on NDA not to say, but for some pretty big names, and for myself, I would have written Breakup, which is my first release in 2021, and then I released Try in 2022, and then I'm going to release my newest single called Respect, which is really paying homage to Bob Marley and every Jamaican who want to make it big out there, who has a dream and who wants the world to see their talent.
Are you going to do any of those for us this morning?
Of course.
All right.
I'm going to do all of them for you this morning and pay my own tribute to Bob, of course.
Blessings. All right. So where next will we see you?
Oh, where next? You'll see me everywhere on your phone, on your TV, on your screens, and of course here on Cool 97.
Bless you. All right. So Journix is going to pack in a performance just ahead of, while you're making your way out to our stage, I'm going to be back announcing our sponsors. And then it will be time for my cool flight back. But let's see how many songs we can get in before.
All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. And hi to everybody on his social media stream.
All right. Thank you. Big up Cool 97.
Fabulous stuff. Okay, so there we go. Journex, Stats Pass student. Now, remember that this segment of Live Tuesday is brought to you by ATC Freight and Shipping. Let them coordinate your shipment from major cities in China. Book your shipping containers, heavy machinery, generators, kids' toys and clothing. For weekly direct sailing and air freight services from China, call ATC Freight and Shipping, 876-630-1515, WhatsApp 876-802-4573. Alcavita Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your water, improve your health. Bottled by Health Creation Industries, White Marl, St. Catherine. Telephone 876-649-0386. And remember, FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange.
Okay.
The name is Journex, and with me is Darius Brown, my guitarist. And we'll be sharing some songs with you today from my catalog, and of course, paying homage to the great Bob Marley. So let's go. All right. Break up, break up, break up, break up. No more makeup, 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 makeup. It's time to say goodbye. Break up, break up, break up, break up. No more makeup, 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 makeup. It's time to say goodbye. Let's go. I can't complain, this is the game, but it's a shame the end just came. Yeah. But if walls could talk, then you could hear my heart. Scar a screaming pain of love and devotion. My bottled up emotions. So just walk out the door and give me my space. All these memories of you can be replaced. No more crying, no more denying. I'm all out of love for you. And I'm sure you've been missing my embrace. Gave you all of my love and all you did was wasted. Yeah, you got me. You played me for a fool. Break up, break up, break up, break up. No more makeup, 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 makeup. It's time to say goodbye. Bye-bye. Break up, break up, break up, break up. No more makeup, 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 makeup. It's time to say goodbye. Snooze. I cannot lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody, nobody like you. I can't lose when I'm with you, girl. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody, nobody. I can't lose when I'm with you, girl. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody, nobody like you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody, nobody like you do. Yeah. So that one is called Break Up. We have Charis on the keys. I get some in. Let's go.
This week, you're invited to join us in studio for another edition of Live Tuesday, Strike a Chord, happening October 31 from 7 to 9 a.m. on Cool 97 FM, featuring Journex, I Believe in Love.
Break up, break up, break
I'm
up.
Mar Shepherd, Confidence.
Confident.
Also featuring Gigi McFarling, Power.
You're giving me power.
That's Journex, I'm Mar Shepherd, and Gigi McFarlane for Live Tuesday, Strike a Chord. October 31 in studio. It's hosted by Diane Thomas and Michael Thompson and brought to you by Alcavida Alkaline Drinking Water, ATC Freight and Shipping Limited, Keymix Audio, FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange, and Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering. Live Tuesday on Cool 97 FM, getting to the root of the music.
I blame. System or killer, which one you rather? Auto violence act like a sauna. No revenge, so leave them to calm my head. And also respect Bob the G.
This one is called Try, and this was my second release, so please enjoy it. It's really about motivating yourself to always try.
We can try, we can try, we can try, we can. The world is getting bigger, much bigger than what I used to know. But if we learn to take care of each other, then we can all call it home. When we are rocking, we're open to figure things out, 'cause we're just pieces together. The puzzle of life, count on your sister or brother, the ones that you love. We can make it better if we try. Live the life we love until we die. Moving swiftly through the times to a different frame of mind. We'll make it if we try. We can make it better if we try. Live the life we love until we die. Moving swiftly through the times to a different frame of mind. We'll make it if we try. Yeah, man, now. Watch me know me and my friend and my vibe. We a drink and a rave and a go on with we life. Look, up for brother, we no war, we no fight to a well in the dark. We a bring back the light as we step in at the party. Girl, let me pray. Bro, never dollar in my drink, same way now. Left for the brother, I just saw me stay pure loving on me heart every night and every day. We a party, live all we want for. Me and my friend them, money spending. Oh, yeah. We can make it better if we try. Live the life we love until we die. Moving swiftly through the times to a different frame of mind. We'll make it if we try. We can make it better if we try. Live the life we love until we die. Moving swiftly through the times to a different frame of mind. We'll make it if we try. Cool like the breeze, my emotion flowing like the seas, the ocean. We can make it to the top if we try, we try. We can make it better if we try. Live the life we love until we die. Moving swiftly through the times to a different frame of mind. We'll make it if we try. We can make it better if we try. Live the life we love until we die. Moving swiftly through the times to a different frame of mind. We'll make it if we try. Hear me now. Respect, cool you see. For feature artists just like we. Pan the map up on the TV. Ready for take this thing globally. One rich just like Shaggy. Big up Sean Paul, big up Cafe. Big up Connect Spain Town Chargy. And the legendary Bob Marley. Try. Live the life we love until we die. Moving swiftly through the times to a different frame of mind. We'll make it if we try. We can try, 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 we can try. Yes, that was called Try. All right, so let's go into No Woman No Cry, paying homage to the great, the legendary Bob Marley. And then I'll give you my last single called Respect right after this. Let's go. Tyrese on the gits. No woman no cry. No woman no cry. No woman no cry. Yeah. No woman no cry. See, I remember when we used to sit in a government yard in Trenchtown, by observing the hypocrites, mingle with the good people we meet, good friends we have and good friends we've lost all along the way. In this great future, you can't forget your past. So dry those tears, I say. No woman no cry. No woman no cry. No woman no cry. Yeah. No woman no cry. See, I remember when we used to sit in a government yard in Trenchtown. Then Georgie will make the fire light as it was. Log would burn it through the night. Then we'd cook cornmeal porridge, of which I share with you. Say my feet is my only carriage, so I got to push on through. Everybody at Cool 97, everything is gonna be alright. 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 Everything is gonna be alright, yeah. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. Everything is gonna be alright. So woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Yeah. No woman, no cry. Ooh, cry. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Thank you. All right, so I'm gonna share this last one with you. It's called Respect, and I'm releasing it on December the 1st. So stay tuned. I know Cool 97 will be playing this for the rest of this year and next year. Cool? It's called Respect, paying homage to the legendary Bob Marley. Let's go. Respect Bob the G, cause him set foundation for we produce music in high quality. The right excellence in Esther Marley. And me say respect Bob the G, cause him set foundation for we produce music in high quality. The right excellence in Esther Marley. As a youth growing in the ghetto, never used to see food on table. Still I try, cause you know, say me able, yeah. Have the dream on target, no man not gonna last it. Checking on my balances, cause success I'm a profit. But I never have it, parents never cause it. Music on my first love, so yes, me have to craft it, yeah. Start it, yeah. Move me and move on target. Me and my craft it, yeah. Start it, yeah. Move me and move on target. Pants on it, well baby. Kicks on feet, tread a trouble. Give me bass, give me brass, give me treble, yeah. And me say respect Bob the G, cause him set foundation for we produce music in a high quality. The right excellence in Esther Marley. And I say respect Bob the G, he taught love as the frequency. Produce music in a high quality. The right excellence in Esther Marley. Let's go. Smile so sweet, I am a charmer. Journeys with lyrics from the palm, yeah. Billy Blueprint and do the storm, yeah. Catch up on sighty, look well good in your Nike, tell you something politely, nice to me shorty, Mad thing when we step on them. I know we're not too big friend. Let me this make me start problem. Me say, let me this make me line my blame. System or killer, which one you rather? Outer violence act like a sauna. No revenge, me say leave them to karma, yeah. And I say respect Bob the G, cause him set foundation for we produce music in a high quality. The right excellence in Esther Marley. And I say respect Bob the G, cause him set foundation for we produce music in a high quality. The right excellence in Cool 97. Listen to this. Mad thing when we step on them. And you know we're not too big friend. Let me this make me start problem. Me say, let me this make me light my blame. System or killer, which one you rather? Outer violence act like a sauna. No revenge, me say leave them to karma, yeah. And I say respect Bob the G, cause him set foundation for we produce music in a high quality. The right excellence in Esther Marley. And I say respect Bob the G, cause him set foundation for we produce music in a high quality. The right excellence in Esther Marley. And I say respect Journex the G, and you know that it is me. Produce music in a high quality. The right excellence in Journex. And I say respect my mommy, cause she set foundation for me. Produce music in a high quality. You know I love your mommy. Yeah. Thank you, Cool 97.
thank you for being our guest for another Live Tuesday. And this segment, I should let you know, once again, is sponsored by ATC Freight and Shipping, as well as FX Trader. Now remember, ATC Freight and Shipping, your go-to courier for commercial cargo from Curacao. Outfit your store, stock your boutique with top quality, high fashion, shipped directly to Jamaica at competitive rates. Call ATC Freight and Shipping at 876-630-1515, WhatsApp 876-802-4573. And we have FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange. Cool 97 FM continues with Live Tuesday. And let's see now, who have we got next? All right. So, by the way, I should also let you know that we have as our official caterer Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, the official caterer of Live Tuesday. Ask about their vegan veggie balls at all major supermarkets island-wide. Call 876-458-9859. I tell you, these are really, really good veggie balls. Big like golf balls. Up next, let's see now, our final guest is joining us in studio. And we'll be hearing from him as he'll be performing in a short while, right after he's in fact Imar Shepherd, and he'll be performing right after he has done his interview here on Cool 97 FM. Mikey T is in studio, and we also have to thank others who are here. We have Edson Johnson, who is in charge of our streaming of this morning's performances. Paul P. Diddy Dennis, he providing engineering support. And naturally, our producer, Rowan Jakes. Cool 97 FM, we are in your ear, and we welcome to Cool 97 FM. I do believe he's a repeat guest. His face looks familiar. So, Imar Shepherd. Good morning and welcome. You have been here before.
First of all, blessed good morning.
Blessed.
And oh, yes, I've been here twice before.
Twice before.
Yeah, so memory is good.
Yeah.
You know?
Yes, I'm actually surprised the memory is actually improving. So you've traveled extensively. And your singing has captivated many audiences. Where would you say is the most memorable place you've traveled to so far?
All right. I've traveled so many places. I think St. Kitts. Yeah, St. Kitts.
St. Kitts, not just down the road.
Yeah, down the road. But I've been to England. I've been to the US several times. I've been to Canada. I've been around.
So what was so memorable about St. Kitts?
It was an early stage of my career where, you know, when you go out there and it was a Imar Shepherd in concert, you know, and you know, when you look, you see all the Prime Minister and his wife come out and, you know, the club was full and the band was on point, you know what I mean?
Nice.
So I really bring it.
So what was your very first foreign gig?
All right, my very first foreign gig was in England.
Whoa, that's really in the deep end.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah.
So how did that go?
It went well, you know. The people was very warm to me, and I think I did pretty well. So, you know, the mission accomplished.
Yes, thankfully.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you were to call the name of someone who inspired you to write or to sing the way you do, who would that individual be?
Well, I mean, I would say Barry Simmons. Yeah, man, I love Barry's. I tell you.
You ever met him?
Yes.
You have?
Actually, he's my good friend, to be honest with you.
Good stuff. All right, so what is it about Barris that has inspired you to write and sing? What is it about his, whether personality or style?
You know, it's a general thing about Barris that I love so much, where Barris sing with a lot of feelings, and him sing about real life, you know, just like I and I, you know what I mean? Barris, if you ever go around Barris, you know, stop one go around him based on how him treat you as an individual, as big as him is.
Respect.
Sometimes I say to myself, but this man don't know how huge him be.
No, you know what it is? He hasn't made success get to his head.
That's what I realized.
Yeah,
man.
he's still grounded,
Yeah,
which is pretty impressive for someone who has achieved so much. Yeah, that's the measure of the man.
Yeah. And of course, that don't mean that I don't listen to other artists or
Yeah.
look up to other artists such as the Bob Marley, Dennis Brown, and Gregory Isaac, the whole foundation. And if you listen to Imar Shepherd music, you hear that.
The
Me have a
influence.
tendency to, fuse the different sounds to create my own personal style. You know what I mean?
So, do you have any collaborations?
Yeah.
Who?
Cesar Kalanchi.
You teamed up with Sizzla Kalanji?
Oh, yes.
Really?
Yes, man.
Wow, we're going to talk about how that came about.
Not just Sizzla, but the Marco. You have Bushman, Nayaman Bushman from St. Thomas.
Oh, Bushman has
Yeah.
been on Live Tuesday.
And you have my brethren out here, Rashad Amaji, we're supposed to do something together. You know what I
Okay,
mean? Yeah,
nice.
man. Big up yourself, Rashad.
Impressive career thus far. So, you have a new single that's coming out. Can you give us a hint of what we can expect?
Well, what you can expect from that new single, more time in life, people doubt you and believe that you're never going to make it. You understand? So this single is telling the world that, remember, say, me dey tell you, say, me I go make it. You understand? And
okay.
it's produced by Kambusta, Seven Figure. You understand?
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a positive message because there have been many people who have had seeds of doubt planted in their heads from early, where people have pronounced negative on their life.
Yes.
And they have gone through with that as their mantra.
Definitely.
That they will never make it, they're never good enough. But you need to remove all of that through song and let them realize the worth that they have. So, where can we find your music? And do you have any major shows or performances coming up?
Me have a lot of major performances coming up, but
Locally?
I'm not privy to say yet,
Oh,
based
okay.
on the plans and all these things. Sometimes we try not to put too much out there. We
Yes.
make sure say flyer print and everything structure and everything in place before
Contract
we
signed.
jump out and all them things. There. Yeah, well, like locally, you have the different circuit.
Yep.
In and around Kingston, like the Kingston Night Market, you have
Oh, you do that too?
yeah, several times.
Okay.
I mean, you have the different places, jungles, you have, so many places in Kingston that
And no doubt these are all
Each
going to
night.
pick up. Mm-hmm.
each night we can actually go out and do a show. You know what I mean?
Very good.
So, I keep doing these circuits because, sometimes when a song play on the radio for you, if it play one time, it's a possibility that you might miss, or somebody might not learn it, or understand it, or get it. You understand it? If you keep playing repeatedly. So I keep doing the shows them repeatedly.
You're going to be performing for us in the next few minutes.
Yes.
Because I'm going to be going to my commercial break, taking Cool Message and all of that. But just identify the songs that you're going to perform for us.
Well, what I'm gonna do, do some songs from my upcoming album called Morning Glory, and the first track is gonna be Morning Prayer,
Okay.
which is the title track of the album, followed by a song called Want Some More, followed by a collaboration with my brother Rashad Amaji. It don't make sense, and the list goes on.
Okay, so you're going to fill out our final half an hour of the show on Cool 97. So, Mikey, the plan is I go to my commercial break, and then Imar gets a chance to go and warm up the vocals meanwhile, and then we come back with the music. All right? Imar. Hot it up. This is cool.
Feel so happy. Wake up this morning. Feel so happy to wake up this morning. I want to thank you, Lord. I want to thank you, Lord. When I close my eyes at night, reflecting how precious is life. Got everything to be thankful for. In hindsight, get out my bed, have a little talk with Jah. Can someone spare me the moment? Let me tell you what I said. I feel so happy. Wake up this morning. Feel so happy. Wake up this morning. Sunrise in the east, relaxing in the fresh mountain breeze. Got no complaints. Mother Nature has been good to me. Might not have everything that I need, but as long as I can breathe, I'm a promise. I'm a possibility. Feel so happy. Wake up this morning. Feel so happy. Wake up this morning. I wanna thank you. Thank you, Lord. I wanna thank you. Thank you, Lord. As I come before you, most heavenly Father, I give you thanks for another day. And as I look to the east, from whence cometh my help? My help cometh from the Most High. Continue to bless us and guide us along the way. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Feel so happy. Wake up this morning. Feel so happy. Wake up this morning. I wanna thank you. Thank you, Lord. I wanna thank you. Thank you, Lord. I wanna thank you. I wanna thank you. I wanna thank you. Thank you, Lord. I wanna thank you. I wanna thank you. I wanna thank you. Thank you. I wanna thank you. I wanna thank you. Thank you, Lord. Yes, give thanks. So that was from the album Morning Glory, you know. And this next one that I'm about to sing, yeah, it's all from the album Morning Glory. So I hope you like it, you know, for all the ladies out there. As she danced across the floor, she turned and smiled at me. I couldn't ask for more. Standing ovation, she deserved an encore. Damn, she's beautiful. She makes a lion roar. She brings out the lion in me. She brings out the love in me. And every time we touch, want me want some more. She brings out the lion in me. She brings out the love in me. And every time we make love, want me want some more. Once in a lifetime, finest kind of love, pure and deep. It touches your soul. She is on fire. She light up my world when she spin a roll and give me that pulse. She brings out the lion in me. She brings out the love in me. And every time we touch, want me want some more. She brings out the lion in me. She brings out the love in me. And every time we make love, want me want some more. As she danced across the floor, she turned and smiled at me. I couldn't ask for more. Standing ovation, she deserved an encore. Damn, she's beautiful. She makes a lion. I say give thanks, you know, give thanks. Yeah. So this one that I'm about to do now.
Don't you? Right. So Tactic world famous brands of tools distributed by Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing are available at all leading hardware stores island-wide. Call 876-758-5583. The time by Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing, it is 8:45 a.m. And once again, we're going to be going back to our stage. Imar Shepherd is performing. Remember, the official caterer of Live Tuesday, Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering, is again here as a sponsor. Ask about their vegan veggie bowls at all major supermarkets island-wide. Call 876-458-9859. ATC Freight and Shipping Limited. Let them coordinate your shipment from major cities in China. Book and ship containers, heavy machinery, generators, kids' toys, and clothing. For weekly direct sailing and air freight services from China, call ATC Freight and Shipping. 876-630-1515. WhatsApp 876-802-4573. FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange. We go back to our stage. I'm R. Shepherd.
Yes, blessed good morning again, you know. I'm our shepherd here, alongside my brother, Rashad Amaji.
Greetings.
So greetings. This song that we are about to sing, yeah, as I said before, there's an album on the way, and it's called Morning Glory. And this is another track that is gonna, you know, be on the album. And that album is gonna distribute by Tough Gang International. So when it comes out, I want you all to go out and get it, you know, and enjoy it. Yeah, man, full respect. Here we go. You ready, Roger?
Ready.
You ready?
Ready.
All right, let's go,
Yes,
my
sir.
brother. Why would it profit me to fight for you? And in reality, you've been selling me out. Why should I vouch for you with all the wrongs you've done? And I am wiser now, won't be controlled like a fool. I won't do what you want me to do. And if it don't make sense, and if it don't make sense, I won't say what you want me to say. And if it don't make sense, so be the case, and we will never be friends. Yeah. So many people you've been to, spreading false rumors, trying to smother my growth. Some people brings out the best in you, while some brings out the worst. And if we cannot get along, then we won't be the first. I won't do what you want me to do. And if it don't make sense, and if it don't make sense, I won't say what you want me to say. And if it don't make sense, so be the case, and we will never be friends. Like the leopard in the wild, you keep lurking, and I see your attitude playing the waiting. My brother, you should understand who and who is who. And if your heart is bound with doubts, then you know what to do. I won't do what you want me to do. And if it don't make sense, 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 I won't say what you want me to say. And if it don't make sense, so be the case, and we will never be friends. I won't do what you want me to do. No. make sense. Cool like it, cool like it, Dre. No, no, and if it don't make sense, you saw me the case. No, we will never be friends. No, I won't do what you want me to do. And if it don't make sense, and if it don't make sense, I won't say what you want me to say. And if it don't make sense, if so be the case, we will never be friends. Yes, son. Yes. Give thanks. I'm representing for my music, yeah. Representing for the people, you know. I win my way. Mama Africa, your son is coming home. I win my way. Can't take the bad direction down in a room. I win my way. Mama Africa, your son is coming home. Too much blood are running around. I have made my decision, but Babylon won't conquer I with them religion. Oh. The vision. Come with the cheap one, give I an incision, but I don't see the vision. I win my way. Mama Africa, your son is coming home. I win my way. Can't take the bad direction down in a room. I win my way. Mama Africa, your son is coming home. Too much blood are running around. I see them use the state to extinct my people. Side them from afar in a them armored vehicle. Them no want no peace. Them a study be evil. Psychologically them a try deceive you. I'm heading home back to where I'm from. Not even the Ebola can stop my man. In a the road and precious diamond. So me burn them discrimination. I win my way. Mama Africa, your son is coming home now. I win my way. Can't take the bad direction down the road. I win my way. Mama Africa, your son is coming home. Too much blood are running around. I have made my decision, but Babylon won't conquer I with them religion. Oh yes, I've seen them created so many divisions. Come with the cheap one, give my an incision, but I don't see the vision. I win my way. Mama Africa, your son is coming. God knows I try. I keep running away from you. Yet I keep running in circles. I keep running away from you. Yet I keep running in circles. A lion incomplete. Ever since the empress gone from me, left the emptiness inside. Now I am alone on this journey. I told myself that it was over, but every time I see you, I can't resist. Should I let nature take its course? wondering if this is something we can fix. I keep running away from you. Yet I keep running in circles. I keep running away from you. Yet I keep running in circles. We live good life before, see what Jah has in store. And I know that it lasts, whether we're rich, whether we're poor. Woman, me love you with my body and soul, and with the blessing that Jah unfold. I mean, don't know if me I go find another loving like yours, baby, this time I'm sure. I keep running away from you. Yet I keep running in circles. I keep running away from you. Yet I keep running in. Yes, oh. God knows I try. And I tell no lie. This love I can't deny. God knows I try. And you can't deny. This love I can't deny now. I keep running away from you. Yet I keep running in. Yeah. Oh yes now. I keep running away from you. Yet I keep running in circles. Running in circles.
Northern Price for graphics and social media. Michael Thompson, DJ and sound engineer. Edson Johnson for live streaming. Rowan Jakes, our producer. Paul Dennis, broadcast technician. And all our Aerotel Cool 97 FM team members who made this possible. Thanks to our Live Tuesday sponsors, Alcavita Alkaline Drinking Water. Improve your health. Bottled by Health Creation Industries, White Marl, St. Catherine. Telephone 876-649-0386. ATC Freight and Shipping Limited. The service professionals shipping your personal and commercial cargo at competitive rates from Panama, China, Curacao and Canada. At Newport West, call them at 876-630-1515. And we also have to thank FX Trader, changing the face of foreign exchange. Not to mention, we also have on board and sponsoring the final half an hour, Ashanti Oasis Vegetarian Catering. And remember, you can get your vegan veggie balls. Not to mention, you can get your vegan cakes as Christmas is a-coming. Ask about the vegan veggie balls at major supermarkets island-wide and call 876-458-9859. Thanks again for listening to Cool 97 FM with Live Tuesday. Coming up, we have your Cool Flight Pack. We begin with the departures, and we have to say thank you to...
This is the nation's coolest. Cool 97 FM.